In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more themes on Google Slides. Let's dive into enhancing your presentations with beautiful and diverse themes. First things first, head over to Google Slides, open your web browser and type in the URL to navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Just ensure that you use the correct credentials to access your saved presentations and Drive. If you're new to Google Slides, creating a Google account is straightforward, and you'll be able to take advantage of its comprehensive suite of productivity tools. After successfully logging into your account, you'll arrive at the Google Slides home interface. Here you're given the option to either create a new blank presentation or select a template from the template gallery. For the purpose of this tutorial, click on the blank presentation option to start fresh. This method allows you the flexibility to apply any theme of your choice as we proceed with the customization process. Once you have a blank slide open, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see a variety of options including File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on Slide, which will then reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides access to several functions you can perform on your slides. From the drop-down, locate Change Theme and give it a click. The right side of your screen will now reveal a sidebar that showcases all the built-in themes available for immediate use. However, if you are looking to expand beyond the default offerings, you'll notice an Import Theme button at the bottom of this sidebar. Clicking on Import Theme opens a new window that allows you to select themes from your previously created presentations or those shared with you via Google Drive. Browse through your available documents and choose the one that contains the theme you wish to incorporate. Once selected, click Import Theme, and your chosen theme will immediately be applied to your current presentation. Remember, using different themes is a fantastic way to tailor your presentation's look and feel to match the subject or mood you are aiming for. Whether it's a formal business meeting or a creative project, the right theme plays a pivotal role. This process is not only efficient, but adds a personalized touch to your creative presentations. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly enrich the aesthetic of your slides without needing to start from scratch. With practice, you'll be familiar with navigating these options and making your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy presenting.